HobbyKidsTV.
Welcome to another fun episode of HobbyKidsTV. I'm HobbyMom. Today Superman's getting married. Let's make him a tuxedo. I rolled out some black Play-Doh. And with my Play-Doh knife, I'm going to cut out the shape of an M. This is going to be his jacket. He still wants his muscles to show, so I have to make sure not to give him sleeves. Now I'm going to cut out his lapels. Now that his jacket is complete, he needs some pants. But he still wants his boots to show, so we'll make sure to make them just above his boot line. He said, "Hey, where's my yellow belt?" No problem, Superman. We'll just add that right on top your jacket. You'll still look like a superhero. Since he's the groom of the wedding, he needs a boutonniere. We're going to make sure it matches Elsa's wedding bouquet, so it'll be blue like ice.
Wow, I look Play-Doh-tastic with my Play-Doh tuxedo and flower thingy. But who's gonna be my best man? I can be your best man, Superman. Well, what makes you a good best man? I'm Batman! That and I'm already wearing black. And I promise I won't punch any of your guests. Unless you want me to.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to click on one of these videos to see the wedding and more about Elsa from the Frozen Disney movie. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!